I just feel so lazy to get the comb and make my hair. But then today was not a normal day. I wanted to make my hair and make myself look good before I sat down to make a vlog itself. So can I just get just a little bit of appreciation for that 5 minutes of my day in order to make my hair? Also, we have got one more good news coming in hot. I have just reduced 14 kgs in 90 days. Even though I don't rely on those weight numbers anymore, but still, that number at least represents of all the work that I have done in the past 90 days. Once I checked my weight today, I was just feeling happy and I just craved an unhealthy snack and I'm feeling so bad right now. All the time while I was having the unhealthy snack itself, I was just thinking what to vlog or what topic to talk about today. I have developed a recent habit where I want to do things one at a time. For example, all these new age kids right now are most likely to watch TV while eating food itself. You want to eat some food because you like it or it gives some happiness, right? But all these new age kids are just putting all this happiness away while watching TV or while watching video. Even I used to do it, but the moment I stopped watching TV or watch some YouTube videos, I started to enjoy the food that I'm eating to the maximum or to the fullest potential itself. I mean, the most inevitable thing in our life is time, right? If this second, I mean, this literal second passes on, it's never gonna come back or you're not gonna get it back in any way. So why not enjoy every moment of your day when you're eating or when you're watching TV or when you're doing something? When you do one things at a time, you enjoy something to the fullest, right? After finishing my workout, I came back to my room and I started looking back at all the old photos and the travel which I have done in the past itself. So technically, I am already living in the past and looking at the past. I was just missing all my old days or college days or all those travel days. But when I look at now, that is now, after doing this, I went to have a snack and over there I was thinking of the future or what to vlog in the future. So the point I'm making in both situations is I was either living in the past, that is looking at the old photos, or while having snacks I was living in the future or thinking about what to vlog. I have realized that I will never get this moment in my life with the exact things that I have around me in my life itself. Let's put all of this into some simple words. Just no mess, no stress. I actually want to live my life like a 5 year or 6 year old baby. I mean, technically, I don't know if it's a 6 year old baby or 6 year old child, and I would definitely like not to debate on the topic itself, so don't get me started. When you look at a 6 year old baby slash child, he or she is very much happy and doesn't care about the past or doesn't care about the future. Wait, before you even think with a response time of 1 millisecond, I know that you too have some responsibilities in life or you have a future ahead. But even with all those responsibilities and future plans, if you still manage to live like a 6 year old, just imagine how happy you would be without any stress or without any anxiety in life, just enjoying the moment and trying to enjoy your life itself. So let's all, including me, put our responsibilities aside. I mean, not aside, just over here, and let's all make our moment like this moment. You're already making a moment by watching this video, by choosing to watch my video, and I am already making the moment by doing something that I love. And let's all not just waste this moment which we have by embracing the reality as it is or by saying it is what it is. One of the most overrated thing that people say in this year is, except me, that is 2020 fucked all us up and it is one of the baddest year. I mean, if you look at a lot of people around you, they wouldn't even have got that virus itself or nothing bad would have happened to them with respect to health or even wealth. But still, I see a lot of people whining about 2020 while all those COVID patients out there, even they are happy that they got cured and nothing bad happened to them. Just wait right there. After 5 years, you're thinking about this moment that you're having right now, that you have missed it or it was one of the bad moments in your life.